Hi there, students. Hollow. Hollow can be an adjective or a noun or also a verb. Normally though, to hollow out. Okay, if something is hollow, it's empty inside. There's nothing inside it. There's a hole inside it. There's a cavity. So, for example, this looks very solid, but in fact it is hollow. There's nothing inside it. Okay, so something can either be solid all the way through, or it can be hollow. So chocolate eggs are normally hollow, and that was always a great disappointment to me. I always thought this is going to be chocolate the whole way through, but no such luck. You could have a hollow tree where an owl makes its nest, or maybe the termites are hollowing out a tree. You could have a hollow metal sphere. Some people say that the earth itself is hollow, a Dyson sphere, and maybe we could live on the inside of it. Unfortunately, I think not. You could make a primitive boat by hollowing out a tree trunk, by taking most of the inside out of a tree trunk. So also, a sound can be hollow. Yeah, it's an echoing, reverberating sound, as if made inside a hollow space. Maybe it sounds slightly distant, or maybe a bit eerie or spooky. I could hear the hollow sound of his footsteps. Or maybe I could hear his hollow voice. Okay, we also use this adjective hollow figuratively, meaning without substance, of no significance or value. So politicians very often make hollow promises, empty, insincere promises that they're not going to fulfill. You could win a hollow victory. We won a hollow victory as all of their best players were injured. Of little value, of course we were going to win. So it didn't mean anything, it was hollow. Hollow, without truth, without validity, insincere. His mouth was full of hollow flattery. Yeah? He's a very hollow character who only wants people to admire him. So nothing of substance inside. Okay, so hollow, empty. Concave. His cheeks were hollow as he had lost a lot of weight. You could hollow out a pumpkin to make a Halloween face. Or maybe you're cooking and you have your flour and you make a little hollow in the flour and break an egg into it. Stops it running everywhere. There was a hollow in his life after she left him. Notice a hollow can also be a place. Sleepy Hollow. A hollow is where the land is sunken and it's probably hidden away. Or it could be a small valley between two mountains. That would be a hollow. It's like a private place. We could say somebody has hollow legs when they eat a huge amount of food. So there's nothing inside their legs, so they can eat and eat, and the food goes inside their hollow legs. So hollow, empty, without significance, to empty something out. So notice, to hollow, a regular verb. He hollowed out the tree. He has hollowed out several trees. I think this word, this adjective, noun, verb to hollow is probably 5 in formality. You could use it in an informal conversation. You could use it in a very formal document. So nice and flexible. And what about the origin? Well, there was an old English word, holl, meaning hollow. And this comes from a hole. And that came from Proto-Germanic, halwas, and that in itself came from Proto-Indo-European. So I think hollow is quite an old concept. So hollow, empty, nothing inside. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hollow.